The universe is playing tricks on us. These 5 space facts will make you question everything. How many can you guess? What's at the center of our Milky Way galaxy? Answer C, a supermassive black hole. Which planet rains diamonds due to high pressure? Answer B, Neptune. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? Answer B, 8 minutes. What happens if 2 pieces of the same metal touch in space? Answer C, they permanently fuse together. What happens if you fired a gun in space? Answer A, it travels forever until hitting something. Subscribe for more.